Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that your bank account is empty, your company's data has been locked by ransomware, or an entire country's power grid has been hacked. Who is behind these attacks? Is it a criminal looking for money, a government spy, or someone hacking just for fun? In the world of cybersecurity, the people responsible for these attacks are known as threat actors. And understanding who they are is one of the most important steps in defending against cyber threats. Let's break it down. Welcome back to Adaptivids, the channel where we simplify cybersecurity and help you understand the digital threats shaping our world. In today's video, we're going to explore what a threat actor is, why they matter in cybersecurity, and the 6 major types of threat actors that organizations and individuals face today. By the end of this video, you'll understand who is behind most cyber attacks and what motivates them. Let's get started. What is a threat actor? A threat actor is any individual, group, or organization that intentionally targets computer systems, networks, or digital devices to cause harm. These actors exploit weaknesses in software, networks, or human behavior to launch cyber attacks. Their attacks can include things like phishing scams, malware infections, ransomware attacks, data breaches, system disruptions. Threat actors are constantly evolving their techniques, making cybersecurity an ongoing challenge for businesses, governments, and everyday users. But not all threat actors are the same. They differ in motivation, skill level, and resources, which is why cybersecurity experts categorize them into several major types. Let's take a look at the most common ones. The most common threat actors are cybercriminals. Their main goal is simple: money. These individuals or organized groups launch attacks to steal financial information, personal data, or valuable intellectual property. Some of their most common tactics include ransomware attacks that lock files until payment is made, phishing emails that trick victims into revealing passwords or credit card numbers, identity theft, and financial fraud. Cybercriminal operations today are highly organized, and some even operate like businesses with customer support and payment systems. The second type of threat actor is nation-state actors. These are hackers who are funded or supported by governments. Their missions usually involve cyber espionage, intelligence gathering, disrupting another country's critical infrastructure. Because they receive significant funding and resources, nation-state actors are often highly skilled and extremely difficult to detect. Their attacks can target government agencies, military networks, research institutions, or major corporations. In some cases, these activities are part of cyber warfare between nations. Another type of threat actor is hacktivists. Hacktivists combine hacking with activism. Instead of money, their motivation is usually political or social change. They may target organizations or governments to protest policies, expose confidential information, promote freedom of speech, highlight human rights issues. A well-known example of hacktivism is the online collective Anonymous, which has carried out cyber operations against governments and corporations around the world. Hacktivists believe they are fighting for a cause, even though their methods often involve illegal cyber activities. The fourth type of threat actor is thrill seekers. Some attackers are motivated by something far less serious. They hack simply for excitement or curiosity. These individuals are often called thrill seekers. They may attempt to break into systems just to see if they can do it or to prove their technical skills. A common subgroup of thrill seekers is known as script kiddies. Script kiddies typically lack advanced hacking knowledge but use pre-built tools or publicly available exploits to attack vulnerable systems. Even though their intentions may not always be malicious, their actions can still cause serious disruptions or open doors for more dangerous attackers. One of the most dangerous types of threat actors is actually inside the organization. These are known as insider threats. The fifth type of threat actor is insider threats. Insiders already have authorized access to systems, which makes them particularly risky. Insider threats can occur in 2 ways. First, through accidental actions such as clicking a malicious email link, downloading infected files, losing company devices containing sensitive data. Second, through intentional actions such as stealing confidential data, selling company secrets, sabotaging systems out of frustration or revenge. Because insiders already have access privileges, detecting these threats can be extremely challenging. Finally, we have cyber-terrorists. Cyber-terrorists carry out attacks motivated by political, ideological, or religious goals. Their objective is often to create fear, disruption, or chaos. These attacks may target government systems, financial institutions, transportation networks, energy and power infrastructure. Some cyber-terrorists operate independently, while others may be connected to extremist organizations or even nation-state operations. In extreme cases, cyber-terrorist attacks could potentially lead to real-world damage or threats to public safety. Why understanding threat actors matters? Understanding threat actors is crucial because cybersecurity is not just about technology. It's also about understanding the people behind the attacks. When organizations know who might target them and why, they can design stronger defenses, improve threat detection, and reduce the risk of cyber incidents. In today's digital world, recognizing these actors is a key part of building effective cybersecurity strategies. So now you know the answer to an important cybersecurity question: who is behind cyber attacks? From cybercriminals and nation-state hackers to hacktivists and insider threats, threat actors come in many forms, each with different motivations and tactics. Understanding them is the first step toward protecting your systems, your data, and your digital life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Adaptivids, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest cybersecurity content. And let me know in the comments, which type of threat actor do you think poses the biggest threat today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.